Okay, let's talk sales processes. Most of the time, it starts off with the lead qualification. And typically, what companies ask sales reps to do is to ask questions to qualify a lead. These are basic questions. They're different depending on the business and the industry, but most companies have a foundational process they already have in place. But then once they do qualify their leads, let's say they had 100 leads, and after they qualified all 100, they decided 20 of them are qualified enough to actually continue working with. Well, when they get to that point of the lead, meaning a qualified lead, they typically want to build a strategy for that qualified lead, and the strategy will hopefully lead them to creating an opportunity, or in SkyQuota, a deal. That will be covered in another video. For now, we're gonna keep it to sales processes. So let's use this Home Depot lead. This is fictitious, but let's go into it. So here, imagine I'm the sales rep, and I've got this information. I can call them, I can talk to them, I can fill things out. But how do I know what questions my management wants me to ask? Well, one thing here is I can click this button to qualify the lead. And when I click it, right now there's only one question, which is, what is your CRM? There's no other questions. Okay, well, that means the admin or management of SkyQuota hasn't set those up. So let's jump to that side. Now, to create the qualifying questions in a lead, you have to be an admin. And if you're an admin, you'll be able to click this drop down and you will see manage quota. All right, so when we go to manage quota, we're going to go to the sales process section, and we're going to start with lead qualification. And the first question is, what is your current CRM? It's there. Okay, let's add a question. Let's keep it basic, all right? And let's say we're going to ask, how many users do you have, right? And we can leave it as a free form. There's options. We can make radio buttons, drop downs, date pickers. It's pretty fancy, the types of questions you can build for your sales reps. But for now, we're just going to keep it simple with a free form. And then let's also do one other, we'll do a yes or no question. Are you happy with your website? This is just for the video purpose. We'll make it a yes or no, or a radio button. And I will do yes or no here. No. All right. Hit save, and we're done. Okay. So now we're going to go to the dashboard of leads, and we're going to go back to Home Depot. I could click my recent, or since it's right here, I can click it. And now, as a sales rep, when I click this qualifying button, I see there's 3 questions now. Okay. So my sales management or my admin is forcing me to answer these questions. So, first question, what is your current CRM? And let's say it's Salesforce. That's the most commonly one used. How many users do you have here, or do you need? How many users? Let's say I need 20. And are you happy with the website? Yes. Okay. So now I answered those questions. Well, later on, when you go to view summary, where all the interactions and touch points will be, if you click the qualifying tab, the answers to those questions will be there. These are available for you as the sales rep, but they're also available as the sales manager or the admin. Now, we can wrap up this clip here, but there's more places where you can create these questions to create the sales process. And I'm just going to give a verbal example. Imagine a company has a lead fill out a form on their website, and that lead comes in to their CRM just like this. A bunch of leads are coming in. Now, the sales reps open up the leads, they start talking, they start, doing things and interacting. Well, let's say it does get past the point of a lead and it gets converted into a company, which would mean it's at least qualified enough to try to do some business with them. Well, at the company level, there's also questions and strategy processes you can build. And then let's say you go through your steps and stages, and they ask you how much it is, and they want a proposal, and you're into the negotiation and the deal stage, right? Opportunities and stuff. Well, in SkyQuota, you'll also be able to create a specific deal or opportunity for each thing. And not only is there sales stages and all the normal stuff you want, but there's actually a custom closing process per deal. And so what it all equates to is SkyQuota allows you to build a custom sales process. You're probably already doing it naturally at your business. Well, this is the first CRM that lets you take your process that works, and you can actually build it out in SkyQuota. And then all of your users or your employees, they have to follow that process. So it's a wonderful system. Have fun with it and let us know if you have any questions.